Hey everyone, welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's Delph Stack tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix mouse stuck in middle of screen Roblox. Let's get into it. First, press the escape key to reset the view. Look at the top left corner of your keyboard. Press the button that says ESC once to open the big menu, and press it again to close it. Watch the center of your screen to see if your little arrow pops back up and moves when you wiggle your hand. You have to tap this button so you can shake the pointer loose from its locked spot. Without this step, the game will keep holding your view tightly in the center, and you won't be able to click on anything. Next, change your camera mode settings. You need to open your game menu options and change how your view follows your character when you move around. Press your menu button again, click on the word that says Settings at the top, and look down at the row that talks about your camera type. Click the little side arrows to switch the setting from the old way to the default or classic way, and close the menu. By changing this setting, you reset the movement rules back to normal. It ensures the game knows exactly how to handle your hand movements without freezing the arrow. Next, unplug and reconnect your hand device. The final step is to refresh the physical wire connection between your hand device and your main desktop computer box. Follow the wire from your hand device to your computer, pull the plug straight out, wait for 3 seconds, and push it back into the slot. Move your hand around your desk and check that the little arrow follows your movements smoothly across the screen. Once you reconnect the wire, your computer builds a fresh connection link with your hand tool. Now your setup is completely fixed, and your view is unlocked. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.